Welcome to this new video. Today we're going to show you how to delegate permissions on your projects. 1. Delegation on all your projects. You can delegate access on the Cloudiway tenant level. For instance, you can invite your colleagues and they will get access to all the projects that you are managing. First log in and then click on Account and Settings. Scroll down to the user list and click on Add User. The user can become viewer, contributor, or administrator. The user will receive a link by mail that will invite him to create an account on the Cloudiway platform. Once the account is created and validated, he gets automatically the permissions on your projects. 2. Delegation on a specific project. This process is similar. Instead of giving permissions at the tenant level, you are now giving permissions at the project level. Select the project, enter into edit mode. You see that the user to whom we have given global permissions has automatically the permissions on this project. Let's add our customer and give him the permission to view only this project. He will get read-only access to this project. And under permissions, add the user of your choice with the required permission level. The user will register and get automatically the permission on this project. It is particularly useful if, for example, you want to give permissions to your customers to just the project of your choice. That's it. Thank you for watching.